Myself, Mrs. Rosaline, Nirmala, Department of Physical Science, Dr. XNS College of Education. So, in the previous video, we have seen the test and what are the different types of the test. So, the previous video we deals with the achievement test and its types. So, teacher made test and standardized test. In this video, we are going to see about the diagnostic test. Okay, this is very useful for during your teaching practice as well as when you are nearing to the examination. So it is very useful. Okay, so diagnostic test is nothing but it is used to know the strength and weakness of the students. Strength and weakness of the students. So before you are starting any unit, you know how much the students' strength in a particular subject. And who are very weak in a particular subject, and also we must know which content they feel very difficulty. In mathematics and all, if you take, they know the format of the mathematics process, how to do the multiplication within the bracket and outside the bracket. So there are many steps. So which steps they find it difficult and how much students are strength in the particular topic also. So now we are going to see what are the characteristics of the diagnostic test. So okay, it may be asked in your 5-mark questions, separate also, achievement test and diagnostic test, and they may ask you what are the difference between the achievement test and diagnostic test also. So what are the characteristics of the diagnostic test? First one is purpose, second one is timing, third one is format, fourth one is accountability. Okay, so first we will see the first step. What is the purpose? Why we are keeping the diagnostic test? Okay, so as soon as when you enter the class, we are not aware of the children's, their skills, whatever may be the academic and non-academic we know. So in the academic purpose, we want to know the strength and weakness of the students. So we are conducting the diagnostic test to know the strength and weakness. So only you are asking the objective based questions. Objective based questions. So different types of the objective based questions. Fill-ups, choosing, true or false, matching, one-word answers. So only the objective type of questions will be asked in the diagnostic test. So the purpose is to know the strength and weakness of the student. Next one is timing. So when to conduct the diagnostic test? Because we are having so many test types. Okay. So when to conduct the diagnostic test? When you go to doctor also, first they will diagnose your diseases by doing some test. Same way in education purpose, we are diagnosing their strength. So before you are starting a particular unit, you are conducting the diagnostic test. Okay, so that is called as timing. And third one is format. What are the format may be used in the diagnostic test? So informally, you can have the test, diagnostic test. Example, quiz. Nowadays, they are used to say the slip test. Slip test. SLIP slip test. Because the CCE format, we have one of the test is slip test. As soon as when you complete a portion in a particular period, you are asking that you are conducting the test. That test is called a slip test. You are maintaining the separate notebook also. So quiz, slip test, dictations. So informal way you can have that particular test also. So there is no time also. So format may be informal. It's not like achievement test. You have to prepare a question according to the principles and blueprint. Informally, you can conduct the test also. Example, quiz, and also Russell's dictations, slip test also. You may have group discussion also. You may have. Okay. The next one is high accountability. High accountability is nothing but it gives you the qualitative data. It gives you the qualitative data, and also quantitative also you can say that qualitative is how much they are, because we are analyzing the each student's questions and answer. So it is also used for the qualitative as well as the quantitative data. So in the video we have seen